Hello friends, today let's learn how to make a house. See, for this you have to turn your paper into a half. Once you will open, you will find this line on your paper. Now turn the paper like this up to this line. From this side also you have to turn the paper up to this line. Right, now turn the paper upwards down like this. Okay, now turn it back. Now you have to bring this paper up to this middle line. Okay, once you will fold, you will see a square over here. Similarly, turn this paper up to the center line like this. Okay, now you have to insert your index finger to this corner up to this corner and then try to make a triangle. How you will make a triangle? Like this. Yeah, make sure you press the corners very nicely. After that, again from this side also you have to make the triangle. Press the corners nicely and press this end as well. See, your beautiful house is ready. If you want to make it stand, you can fold it from this side as well. See, now your house is ready. You can draw door to make it more beautiful. You can draw windows. You can draw its roof as well. See how beautiful it is looking. Thank you. If you like this house, like my channel, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much, guys.